My name is Gene Bienemy, and I am a A+ instructor at BMCC. I'm going to try to give you a little bit of an idea of what we do at A+ class in BMCC. So I think the easiest way to do this is to follow the rules of journalism, and I'll tell you the who, what, when, where, and why, and sometimes how rule. So let's start with what. What is A+ certification? A+ certification is the most recognized certification for a PC tech. That is whether you're starting out or if you're a seasoned tech. Now, many jobs are looking for ways to distinguish between who they want to interview. And one of the things they look for is that A+. So there are people out there who've been doing this for years who don't have A+ and are now going to get their A+ because they're seeing that they're competing against other people who do have their A+. So that, I think, is the most important reason that if you're interested in this field and you don't have a whole lot of experience, or maybe you have a little bit of experience, to start off with getting that A+ certification. It is the most recognized, okay? There are others, but this is the top one, okay? Now, who should get this or try to get this certification? Again, anyone who's interested in changing careers and getting involved in technology, this would be a good place to start, okay? A+ tests you on the most basics of computer technology. It includes PCs, laptops, mobile devices, phones, tablets, printers, all sorts of things, okay? Also goes into operating systems, the most popular being Windows, but also Linux and Mac, okay? Why would you pursue this? Well, the bottom line is money, okay? We do what we do because we love it, but it's nice to get paid for your efforts. I would like to share something on the screen for you. Just one second. There's a gentleman named Professor Messer that has a whole lot of good stuff on the YouTube. So I am going to share screen. Okay. And I'm just going to click here.
There are jobs everywhere in IT. And if you looked at the numbers just in the US, this is a $1.7 trillion market in 2020. And that's only 32% of the market worldwide. Another number.
Okay. I think he said it perfectly. There is a lot of money out there in the IT world. And if you're interested, go out there and get yourself a piece. Again, a great way to start is A+. Okay. These classes will be held on Saturdays starting August 1st. At least that's the next session. And it will be from 9:30 to 4:30 with a 1 hour lunch. And basically it's days full of work. It's a lot of material. And speaking of material, it's going to be done online. And the way we're going to do this is with a tool called testout.org. Let me show you a little bit of that. Okay. Share the screen again. And we are going to go to the screen right here. This is testout.org. Now, if you decide to take the class, BMCC has made arrangements for every student to have their own account to log into. And along with working with me on Saturdays, you'll be able to work on this on your own during the week, as well as do homework and things of that nature. This gives you an idea of what we will be learning. 13 topics: computing overview, PC texture responsibilities, system components, peripheral devices, storage, networking, wireless networking, printing, mobile devices, system implementation, file management, system management, security. Okay? Now, one of the biggest questions that are asked is, if we're going to do this online, how are we going to get our hands on? Okay, well, this tool does have a nice simulation tool in it. and it allows you to work on hardware sort of online. Okay, so let me just give you show you what that would look like. So I'm not going to go through it with you, but just want to sort of give you a picture. This is your PC, and you could actually see the front here. It allows you to look at the back. It allows you to look at the motherboard, where you could actually install some stuff, and drive bays where you put drives and things like that. Here on the left, you got your cables, different cables you'll need, different input devices, monitor, surge protector, printer, and speakers. Okay, and we will work with using this. You will actually virtually set up a PC, and of course, as we go through the class, there'll be many more simulations and things like that. Okay, and that's basically it. Now, if you're interested, you can reach out to BMCC. The course is online. It's a continuing, I believe it's in the continuing education section of the website. But if you're interested, please join us. I think we'll have a good time, and you'll learn a lot. Have a good day.